Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. Let's fix this a little bit. Here we go. I'm going to review a little shooter, little liquor shooter. This is the Parrot Bay 90 proof pineapple. Let's see, pineapple rum with natural pineapple flavor. 45% ABV, 90 proof. The writing on here is so small. Produced and bottled by Parrot Bay Rum Company, Louisville, Kentucky. Saw this one, it's been a while back. Had it in the freezer. Pineapple sound good. I don't know why I'm shaking it up. I like a lot of these. It's just my problem with them are just that they're so strong. The astringency is so high. It's just sometimes hard to drink them unless you mix them with something. Man, what is up with this lid? There we go. Wow. Man, that smells really good. A nice pineapple aroma. Smells sweet. You get a nice pineapple rum aroma. Very light astringency on the back end of that smell. Okay, let's try it. Wow. Boy, got some goosebumps popped up on my arms from that. Nice pineapple taste. It's kind of syrupy, kind of sticky, kind of a just a sweet, syrupy kind of rum taste and mouthfeel both. It's good. This might be a good mix with something like Sprite or something. Man, the astringency taste is about a medium on the back end. It's not as bad as some like vodka liqueur type shooters, but kind of minty. Got a little bit of alcohol heat going on. Little burn in the lips behind my. Whew. natural. It's a rum with natural pineapple flavor. So they've thrown some natural pineapple flavor in there. Man, that's just too strong for me. Maybe if this was like on the rocks a little bit, it's kind of diluted down just a little bit of that strong alcohol astringency that's in there. I mean, like I said, it isn't as bad as some can be on the astringent, the alcohol astringency kind of taste, but it's there. But you do get a nice sweet pineapple flavor in there. It's good. Yeah, I mean, it's a good one. Somebody that's able to handle just shooting these things would probably really like this. I can't hardly do that without like immediately chasing it with something, you know, like a 7-Up or a Sprite or something. But yeah, pretty good. There you go. It just shows some pineapples and some hibiscus flowers, it looks like, on the front, and a parrot flying across there. But yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to end it there. And I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.